Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and welcome to my kitchen. Today is De-Clutter Day Wednesday, and for the month of February, we are here in our kitchens, cleaning different areas of the kitchen each week. So for this first week, it is our pantries. Oh my goodness, that scares me so much. My pantry is a wreck. But I guess I have to do it. I hope that you will come along and join me in this journey and declutter your own kitchen this month. And join me this week and work on that pantry. Look like much, but I did get rid of quite a few things. My pantry cabinets are very, very deep, so I do have things behind other things. So here's my bread machine, and here is a basket of like cleaning supplies and stuff that I can easily pull out so I can access the cooler and stuff that's behind there. On this shelf, we have cleaning supplies right here in the front, and this is a throwback to when my kids were toddlers and we didn't want to keep them under the sink. We wanted to keep them out of their reach, and I've just always kept them up high in the pantry since then. And in the back, I've got crystals and things, and lesser used things up here in this cabinet in the pantry. I did really get rid of a lot, I promise. As we move down to the next section of my pantry, again, I don't have a whole lot of storage, so I make do with what I have. So on this first shelf, again, I have to use the deep storage. So I have pastas and things in baskets, and back behind are lesser used items. I'm not really a prepper, but I kind of think it's a good thing to have some food on just in case there is some kind of emergency or natural disaster. So like ramen that we don't normally eat very much is back there, and some boxes of macaroni and cheese. Also things that I might have gotten on sale, like this Parmesan cheese that I have multiples of. And so this one has like rice and beans. Now over here, this is a spice rack, and I've used it sideways to hold my cling wraps, my aluminum foil and stuff. One of the secrets to keeping your pantry clean when you have a very small one is knowing where everything goes. As we move to the next shelf, I have everything in kind of a U-type configuration. So right here, I have some cans of beans in one of the can holders. Back in the back, I have an old cardboard insert that was from a box that creates a shelf where I've got canned goods and stuff. In the middle section, I put bread and chips. Over here are all my tomato type cans. And then up on top are all my soups. And then things like peanut butter and raisins and syrup, just kind of right here in front. So I know where everything is and I can get to it easily. This is my pantry. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will watch all the other videos in the collabs. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Until next time, this is Michelle from Straw-Bearie Designs saying have a great day and crafting away.